Hi everyone, welcome to Recticoder. Few days back I was facing some issue while running the Python code, so I thought to discuss that issue with you, and I will be giving the solution of that issue. How did I resolve? So the issue was when I was converting the timestamp to date, I was getting one error, like value error I was getting. Year 55291 is out of range. So I have written this code where I am just trying to print the current time. And if I run this code, then here is the current time. Now I can convert this time to the timestamp by using this timestamp function. What I'll get, here is the timestamp. So generally this timestamp is of 10 digit. If we can see this, then this 10 digit output we are getting as a timestamp. But in some cases, you feel like we are getting the 13, 14 or the 15 digits as a timestamp. Now suppose I have this timestamp as an input and I want to convert it into a date. How will I do it? Instead of using this datetime.now function, I'm taking datetime dot from timestamp, and as a parameter I'll be giving this timestamp. So here when I'm converting this timestamp to date, the same thing I am getting, it is of the today's date. As I told you that in some cases we got the timestamp as 13, 14 or more than 10 digits. So suppose I am adding some digits here, 890. These three digits I have added and run the code, then I am getting the invalid arguments. So currently I am getting this error invalid argument, but instead of this, there is a possibility that you can get the error in this form, like the value error, year, and this number could be anything, is out of range. So basically you can get the error like year is out of range. So in that case, if you are getting 13 digits, that means it is giving the milliseconds data. If it is of the 10 digits, that is the by default we got when we convert the date to timestamp, it becomes of the 10 digit only. That is in the seconds format. It is giving the timestamp in seconds. In this way, some applications or some APIs are giving the data. It is not necessary that every time we are getting the timestamp in seconds only. Now, how we need to handle this? Suppose here we have a timestamp of 13 digits. Now we need to convert these milliseconds to seconds so that we can convert the timestamp to date. Now how to convert the milliseconds to seconds? By dividing it from 1000. Basically whatever the number of digits are coming extra than 10, that number of zeros we need to add here and we need to divide it this timestamp. Now as here I have 13 digits, I'll be dividing it by 1000. 1 and 3 times 0 I'll be putting here. If I run the program now, it will be fine and it is giving the correct data. This is the same data I'll be getting if I remove these extra 3 digits. See, so the conclusion is the number of digits can vary, we just need to convert it to the seconds. If it is coming into nanoseconds, we need to convert it from nano to seconds. If the data we are getting it in milliseconds, then we need to convert it accordingly. So try this solution and let me know if it helps you. If you are facing any other issues with Python, then you can let me know in the comment section. Also, if you enjoy what you see, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. I love hearing from you, so feel free to leave your thoughts and questions in the comment sections. Thank you.